Hi, this is Captain David Duny with Knot10 Yacht Sales, Yacht Boss. Today we're going on board a Carver 43 Motor Yacht Couples Therapy. She's a 2007 in excellent shape. Let's get aboard and take a look. You see there's an extended hydraulic swim platform. Makes it easy to load and launch the dinghy. Sea deck has just been added within the last year throughout the boat. It goes on up into the cockpit and all the way up to the bow. So as you can see, the sea deck going all the way up to the bow gives a nice class touch to it. Makes it soft on the feet, going forward barefoot. It's got high rails for safety and a great lounge area up front. So the owners maintain this boat completely. It's got brand new enclosure, was put in 2024, all the way around. Boat's completely clean. Just for some highlights in the cockpit, you've got a TV, sink, and ice maker. Up on the bridge deck, you can see these got bow and stern thruster with controls on the port and starboard side, an updated hybrid touch Raymarine chart plotter, Volvo Penta instruments and gauges. All the soft goods aboard the boat are in excellent shape. There's no tears or rips anywhere. It's practically a new boat. The boat also has a hard top on it, which takes away a lot of the issues with soft canvas tops and top leaking. Have a nice, very good size V berth with a day head access from the private cabin or from the main salon. Also in the V berth is a separate shower area, which makes it convenient. There's a good sized galley complete with a full size fridge and a microwave induction. Across from the galley is a dinette comfortable for 6. In the engine room, you can see there's two very nice maintained Volvo D6 engines with 725 hours and a Kohler 10 kilowatt generator with about 1984 hours. In the salon, you have a double reclining sofa, very comfortable. As you can see, it's in excellent shape. A nice table that lifts up into dining or nice workspace, a large TV, along with 2 swivel rockers. Queen bed, plenty of storage, a washer and dryer, a vanity area, and a large private head. Very nice washer dryer. You've got a watertight bulkhead door in the aft that leads to the stern cockpit. That gives you a lot of ample light as well as ventilation when you're at anchor or sitting at the dock. There's a large private head in the aft stateroom with a separate shower area. Across from the bed in the aft stateroom is a nice vanity with a TV on top. Also aboard Couples Therapy, they have Yacht Controller, which is remote control. You can steer the boat with the 2 engines as well as the bow and stern thruster With this convenient remote control you can take anywhere on the boat. This is David Duny, Yacht Boss with Knot10 Yacht Sales. If you're interested in couples therapy, love to talk to you about it. Give me a call, 215-806-9083 or david@knot10.com. Please like and subscribe to Yacht Boss.